Hey guys, Brian here, and welcome to the video. And today we're going to go over questions that I get in the Discord. And I love doing these because it helps everyone get a little bit more educated on how the way I think when I sell my options, as well as exit strategies for certain things that happen in the market. And obviously, if you want to know more about the Discord, it is free. And then there is a paid version, which is super cheap, either 40 bucks a month or 340 bucks for the year. Super simple. Shameless plug real quick right there. And the question is pretty simple. And I'm going to go into it really quick in a second. And it's pretty much the same question regarding hymns. So because of the little crash that happened last week, a lot of us have in the money cash secured puts. Some people have it at 46 bucks and another at 42. And right now, the current stock price is like 38, 39 bucks. So people are asking, should I roll it or should I close it out or just get assigned? And to be honest, you can't go wrong with either of these, but I have a specific way I like to look at things. And the only way I wouldn't want to get assigned is if I'm trading on margin and I really can't afford to buy the shares. I like it. Like it would put me over my buying power and I would start owing interest on something. And that's not the case for me right now. And hopefully it's not the case for a lot of these people as well. But what I'm going to say is 42 and 46. So we will go into my desktop here. Sorry about the triple beam screen right here. So what we're going to do is they're currently the current price of hymns is $39.75, right? And they're in the money at 42 and 46. So what you could potentially do is let yourself get assigned. But the question is, let's go with the question first. A lot of them are saying like I could just roll it out a month and get 150 bucks. So what they're at now, let's just like what I could write down is they're at 42, so it's 380. Then go out. No, 3 days. 42, 270, and then they could go out a month, so December 12th for 42 again. What my brain is not working. Calculator. Yes. Why? Did you eat? Eat one more, and then we could go to sleep. So 470 minus 270. So that's 200 bucks. I didn't have to do it like that. So that's 200 bucks if you rolled it, right? So you could just let yourself get assigned at 42 at the end of the month and you get 100 shares, right? And then you could sell a call, right? A month out from now, December 12th, 31 days, and you could sell it at 42. Guys, look at that. 31 days, 260 bucks. Is 260 more than 200? It's 60 bucks more than 200. Obviously, these are static prices, like they'll change with time, but you could just let yourself get assigned and potentially make more money on the covered call side on this play. Get 260, or you could go up to 43, right? You'll still collect a little bit more at 223 bucks instead of 200. And if by December 12th, 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, it goes past 43, guess what? You just made another 100 bucks on top of the 223. So you made 323 bucks, which you end up having 123 bucks more than you would have got. Like, simple math, guys. So that's how I look at these trades. I look at it in the sense of which gets my capital more percentage, or what gives it more efficiency. And that's what I want everyone to start looking at, is how efficient can you make your portfolio? And when you start doing that and you switch that mindset to not just be like, oh man, it's down, oh man, I'm losing money. No, think about all the exit strategies that you could have to make more money. And it's the same with like business. It's like the cost of holding, the cost of money. And in this case, you could have made 200 bucks, but you could also made 260 or 223 plus another 100 if it goes above 43 by December 12th, which potentially it can do. And that's for the 42. And you could look at the same thing for the 46. Same concept. You just have to look at what is happening. So again, you can't go wrong either way. You're potentially going to make money either way. It just matters on how efficient you want your money to be and your conviction in the stock. Because what I always go over in this is you need to do this with stocks that you want in your portfolio. And good job, babe. And in doing so, you could never really lose. And in doing so, never lose. Thanks, bud. Okay, you could have some chocolate. And in doing so, if you never lose, you only win. And like that's the beauty of the selling options. If you're doing this with stocks that you want in your portfolio and you take the emotions out of the trading, you're going to do really, really well in this. And that's, again, how I was able to generate $100,000 in this portfolio over a year. Taking the money off the table when it's available, taking it off the table and using it to make more money. That is the name of the game, efficiency, and that's all you have to do to win. So if you like these type of videos, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys very, very soon. Peace.